3. Lipids. The building blocks of lipids are mainly composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. However, they can also contain nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus, but their number is very small. Sources. We get lipids from animal and plant sources. Animal sources include meat, milk, and its products, while plant sources include all oil-extracting plants like the mustard family. 4. Vitamins. Vitamins have complex chemical structures. They are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. However, the number of each element varies in all vitamins. Sources. The food source of each vitamin is different. Here, remember that one source of food may contain more than one vitamin. The figure 3.11 tells us the sources of vitamin A, C, and D of V minerals. Chemically, calcium-containing substances contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in addition to calcium. Substances that contain iron are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and sulfur in addition to iron. Skill 3.2 Research using secondary sources. The functions of all the components of a balanced diet. Protein is used for growth and repair. Carbohydrates are an energy source. Fats store energy. Present findings in tables and charts citing the source S. Researching SS. Critical thinking, problem solving, communication, vocabulary. Objective: to enhance research skills and understanding of the functions of components in a balanced diet, while improving data organization and citation skills. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Balanced Diet Component Research and solve it. Skill 3.3 Deconstruct a meal into food groups and serving sizes. S. Identification, classification. SS. Analytical thinking. Objective: to enable students identify nutrition, promote nutrition education, encourage and emphasize portion control for overall health and well-being. Instructions: scan the given QR code to access the worksheet named as Make a Balanced Diet Journal and solve it.